Hi, I am Ayalas from the Fighters, and I'm going to show you how to make really good vanilla dreidel cupcakes for Hanukkah. I'm doing dreidel shape for Hanukkah, so you can do whatever shape you want. I put in 1 3/4 of flour. We put in 3 to 4 cups of sugar. And then we put in 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Now we're going to mix the dry ingredients. Now we're going to put in 1 to 3 cups of oil. Now we're going to put in 1 egg. Now 3 to 4 cups of any cream. I'm putting in soy milk, you can put in whatever you want. Now 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Mix the whole batter. Now I'm adding sprinkles, you don't have to. And now if you're adding a topping, now you mix again. And now we added all the sprinkles. You should see that.
So be careful.
That is, we did that only so it would be colorful.
And yummy.
Why not?
And yummy.
Now put the batter inside the pan, whatever you put it in. And this is a final result. Oh my god, that looks so good. Oh yeah, and as well you could see it's in shape of dreidel. Oh, that has so many sprinkles, doesn't it? Oh my god, that is so good. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye.